than 4,000 farmers. And also we have like several objectives. First is to information sharing and network development, policy dialogue, access to fund, marketing development, and also organization management, farmer learning, and resource sharing. This is the objectives of our network. So if you have further question about this, please don't hesitate to ask after the presentation. And for this project, we also have we call strategic support for food security and nutrition project. And so this project, they are four components. First is to strengthening public services, and the second is the community-driven agriculture-based nutrition interventions, and sustainable and inclusive markets-driven partnership. And the project, we are working in 12 districts in 4 northern provinces now, and the total budget is about $30 million US dollar, and supervised by IFAT and WFP, and implemented by our government, Ministry of Agriculture and Forest. And for the engagement of the law firm network in this project, is that LFN, or Law Firm Network, hosted the National Consultation Workshop of the program in May 2015. Later in the year, they provide inputs to the design process of the strategic support for food security and nutrition program. As a result, LFN is considered as implementing partner of the project, especially on farmer to farmer learning, farmer organization development, and small-scale agri-business. And how to engage with the program. So the Alpha introduced the program to a law firm network, and also within the GAFSP framework requires the program to organize a consultation workshop at national level. Alpha supported law firm network to co-host the events. And IFA country program aware about law firm network because law firm network is in the National Implementing Agency of MTCP2, and the IFAT funded project to this program as well. And also law firm network also asked the IFAT to continue engage law firm network in design phase of the project. And for example, it is the co-host National Consultation Workshop on Global Agriculture and Food Security Program, which held on the 6th of May 2015 in Vientiane capital. I think some of you participated in this forum. And LFN initiative in GAFSP MM1 program ensure engagement with the strategic support for food and food security and nutrition program. So under the GAFSP scheme, the law firm network have been working together with IFAT and FAO and the government to develop a new project to support smallholder farmers in doing better agribusiness. And the project is closely linked to much bigger program like strategic support, food security and nutrition program. And you can see the MM2, the MM1, become mine. We will focus on building internal capacity for law firm network in the first 2 years before engaging with the project target groups in the third year. So here's the success factors of the law firm network. Of course, first is knowing the mechanism in places, very important for the network. And also law firm network can engage because of the introductions of the alpha, and also alpha will help to provide information and for the local network on how to implementing the plan of the project. And also knowing your government is very necessary, of course. And the LFN network together with the Department of Planning, Ministry of Agriculture and Forest, organize a consultation workshop to establish the relationship between two parties. And knowing IFAD's program also important because they can help to provide space for development, and also knowing ourselves is a must. Without understanding what LFN network is capable of, it is impossible to offer opportunity for engagement. Besides the success factors, we also have several difficulties in the LFN network. So LFN network is a young organization with a limited capacity for service delivery, and it is necessary to build internal capacity first before delivering services to SSF and SNP. And the target area of this project is not the same, where the members of the LFN network are. So it is difficult to get direct support from the program, but the LFN network also can deliver service to them. And moreover, it is difficult to engage with the public project if you are not included in the plan. So engaging with them at the early stage is very important in order to make sure that you are in their plan. So there is the PPT that provided by the LFN network. So it's not. I didn't take too much time. Yeah, because if you have further questions, you can please don't stay to us, and the president of LFN network will give very good answer. So thank you so much for your attention.